Have you ever wanted to buy a house? What do you think? Is it a question worth asking? How about, should I buy a house? Or can I afford to buy a house? If you're questioning yourself, then you should definitely watch this video because it talks about Jennifer Lawrence listing her Manhattan apartment for $10.5 million. Of course, it's not too late yet to purchase your own beautiful house and make your dream come true. There are a lot of questions that our friend is likely wondering. Buying a house can be a very exciting and daunting process. We want to make sure that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. We can help you find a perfect house for your needs and budget. We also have years of experience in the real estate industry, so we can provide you with sound advice. Luckily for you, TTP member, this is a video that discusses the celebrity and her home. We've created a video that will show you some of the features of the homes we found. In addition, we'll provide you with an answer to any questions you may have. So if you're looking to buy a home, please watch our video and let us know if there's anything we can do to help. Our teams of experts knows the ins and outs of the housing market and can guide you to the best option for your needs. We can provide you with a variety of information and resources so that you can make an informed decision. But before diving in, let's first know who Jennifer Lawrence is. With her family on vacation in New York City, actress Jennifer Lawrence was first noticed when she was just 14 years old. The Bill Engvall Show, The Burning Plane, Winter's Bone, X-Men First Class, and The Hunger Games were among the films in which she appeared shortly after landing her first acting gig. In the sequels Catching Fire and the two-part Mockingjay, she played Katniss Everdeen once more. In 2012, Lawrence's performance in David O. Russell's Silver Linings Playbook earned her an Academy Award. She proceeded to collaborate with the filmmaker on his other films, American Hustle and Joy, for which she also won Golden Globes. Lawrence's big break occurred when she was 14 years old and was visiting her family in New York for spring break. A stranger had her pose for a photo, got her mother's number, and then called to invite her to do a screen test. After that, things moved quickly. Lawrence stayed in New York City for the summer, appearing in MTV advertisements and starring alongside Lena Olin in the suspenseful 2007 film Devil You Know. Following that, Lawrence and her family relocated to Los Angeles, where she first appeared in small roles on the TV shows Medium, Monk, and Cold Case, before being cast in The Bill Engvall Show. She co-starred with Charlize Theron and Kim Basinger in The Burning Plane and The Poker House, two feature films, while she was working on the show. Lawrence went on to star in the critically acclaimed film Winter's Bone in 2010 after The Bill Engvall Show was cancelled, for which she received nominations for an Academy Award, a Golden Globe, and a Screen Actors Guild Award. As opportunities kept coming in, Lawrence made an appearance in The Beaver in 2011 alongside Mel Gibson, Jodie Foster, and Anton Yelchin. In X-Men First Class, she played a character of Mystique. As Katniss Everdeen, the main character in The Hunger Games, the movie adaptation of the best-selling book by Suzanne Collins, Lawrence rose to fame at the box office in 2012. Lawrence's character is forced to take part in a televised event where 24 teenagers battle to death. The setting is a post-apocalyptic one. Lawrence returned to the character in 2013's The Hunger Games, Catching Fire, and the two-part Mockingjay movies. And the movie set box office records on opening weekend in 2014 and 2015. The series had almost $2.8 billion in total box office revenue as of late 2015. Moving on, Jennifer Lawrence lists her Manhattan apartment for $10.5 million. May the odds be ever in her favor. In the illustrious Tribeca district of New York City, Jennifer Lawrence just advertised her opulent 3-bedroom condo for a cool $10.5 million. The beautiful 3,184 square foot Manhattan residence, which is 2 blocks from the Hudson River Greenway, was purchased by the Hunger Games actress for $9,034,697 in 2017. She wants to take advantage of a nearly $1.5 million profit after 5 years. I'm hoping the sale goes better than the one she made on her penthouse in New York City. The Oscar winner sold it at a loss of $9.5 million, despite its original $15.45 million listing price. The loft is accessed by a key-locked elevator that also connects to a private garage and was built with security in mind for an A-lister or high-profile person. The condo is housed in a structure that was built in 1882 for use of a book bindery. In 2016, the historic structure underwent a condo conversion. The reclaimed wood beams and matching support columns separating the living room from the dining area are among the historic characteristics that have been entirely restored. In Lauren's apartment, along with the contemporary comforts that today's customers demand, the open room plan, wide plank white oak floors, tall ceilings, and large windows of the loft's modern rustic style all contribute to its overall aesthetic. Christopher Peacock's design for a chef's kitchen includes slate countertops, high-end wood cabinets, and appliances that are suitable for a restaurant. The description describes the kitchen's amenities as including a windowed Sub-Zero refrigerator, 2 Miele dishwashers, a vented 6-burner Wolf range with griddle, 2 ovens, pasta pot filler, 70-bottle Gaggenau wine fridge, integrated Miele coffee machine, and microwave convection oven. There's a walk-in closet and 3 more closets in the main suite. The ensuite bathroom is finished with a Calcutta marble and features an oversized glass shower, a free slanting egg tub, a twin vanity, and radiant floor heating. The listing agent of this sale is Pamela DeArc of Compass. The elite group of real estate experts includes Pamela DeArc. She is sought out by clients for her in-depth market knowledge, professionalism, and insight into the NYC real estate. Pamela is renowned for continually going above and beyond for her clients and was a member of Stribling and Associates, exclusive chairman's circle prior to joining Compass. Her discretion, honesty, and great real estate market expertise appeal to this discerning buyers, sellers, and renters. Clients appreciate Pamela's refined vision, strong work ethic, and sense of humor. When putting together a co-op board application packets, crafting offers for competitive bidding situations, or marketing a new listing for sale or rent, her attention to detail, keen editing abilities, and level of excellence are of enormous benefit to clients. With her extensive experience and outstanding performance working with co-ops, condos, and townhouses, Pamela has achieved record sale prices throughout Manhattan. Pamela has had remarkable success not just with her thriving resale business, but also as the Director of Sales at the SOM designed 252 East 57th Street. 252 is recognized as a very successful condominium sellout thanks to Pamela's sales and marketing savvy and solid leadership abilities. She worked in sales at the New Yorker condominium previously in a new development, so she is knowledgeable about the nuances of buying in a new development. Both buyers and sellers will receive the finest caliber service from a true expert, thanks to her knowledge, perseverance, and cunning bargaining skills. Pamela has over 28 years of expertise in real estate, and because of her reputation and network within the field, brokers frequently call her before listing a property since they know she has suitable clients. She has been incredibly helpful in assisting clients in rearranging layouts to better meet their demands, thanks to her interest in building and design. Her other area of expertise, housing members of the film industry in furnished flats while they are on location, was made possible by Pamela's experience in film production. So, let's review the details of the house for you to keep in mind. A wide entry gallery and a 35-foot living or dining room area with 10-foot ceilings are your first impressions when you enter this spectacular loft through a key-locked elevator. This spotless loft, which has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, is available for its second owner at the luxury apartment building at 443 Greenwich Street. The generous proportions, degree of finishing, quality of construction, and opulent amenities distinguish this structure, in addition to the special ability to enter the complex covertly through the private garage. A sleek gas fireplace, 812-inch wide plank white oak flooring, 4 huge windows framing the gorgeous northern cityscape, striking reclaimed wood beams, and matching support columns, and more can be found in the spacious living and dining area. Located off in the dining room and anchored by a sizable white marble island with seating for 4, the contemporary open chef's kitchen created by Christopher Peacock is a state-of-the-art. Any chef would enjoy cooking in this kitchen. Slate counters go well with this stylish handcrafted wood cabinetry that has fluted glass fronts. At the far end of the loft, the bride principal suite is a lovely retreat with 3 sizable west-facing windows that view out onto the planted courtyard. This room features 3 regular closets, a giant walk-in closet, and a ton of storage space. Off to the large bedroom, hallways are the roomy south-facing second and third bedrooms. The elegant and tranquil ensuite bath, with radiant heated floors, is clad with white Calcutta marble and has a trough dual vanity, freestanding egg tub, oversized glass shower with stone bench and a shower head, body spray, and rain dome fixtures, a heated towel, and glass-enclosed WC with bidet. They both have electric shades, roomy closets, and exquisitely designed ensuite bathrooms. There is also a proper laundry room with a service door and an excellent powder room, both of which are easily convertible into mudrooms. Built as a bookbindery in the 1880s, 443 Greenwich effectively merged the vintage beauty of downtown Manhattan at the turn of the 20th century, with all the modern conveniences one would expect from an ultra-luxury building in 2016. The impressive list of amenities is unmatched and includes a doorman and concierge available 24 hours a day, a 70-foot indoor pool, a fitness center with private yoga and Pilates studios, an infrared sauna, a massage room, a Turkish hammam, a children's playroom, a 5,000 square foot landscape roof deck, valet, porters, a live-in resident manager, and an underground parking garage that allows for discreet arrival and departure. 443 Greenwich is the pinnacle of luxury living. It is situated in posh Tribeca, 2 blocks from the Hudson River Greenway, and close to some of the city's best dining and entertainment options. The A, C, E, and 1 lines put the entire city at your feet and provide easy access to the West Side Freeway. If you want to invest in this house, now is the time to do it. The market is still strong, and there are many houses available for sale. You can find your dream home by looking online or calling a real estate agent. If you're interested in purchasing a property, make sure to get pre-approved by your lender. This will help you determine how much money you need to invest and avoid any delays in the process. The market is still stable and the prices are still low. You can also invest in a property that's in a good location. If you're not sure what you want, you can hire a real estate agent to help you find the perfect home. Buying a home is an important decision that you will never regret. We understand that and want to help you make the decisions for your needs. That is why we offer our services as a home buying advisor. We can provide you with information on different types of homes and help you find the right one for you. We can also help you negotiate prices and terms and connect you with local professionals who can help with the entire process. So if you are interested in buying a home, we are here to help. We hope that our video has helped you find a home. We have spent a lot of time and effort creating it, and we want you to be able to find the perfect one. We also love to hear about your feedback, so please leave a comment below or on the video. We want to make sure that you have the best experience possible when looking for a new place to live, and we'll continue to offer quality videos in the future. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you take action that you'll start to see results. See you at the next one.